Hey everyone, this is Yan from Devolutions HQ, the place to get the latest tech tips, cybersecurity news, and anything that has to do with Devolutions. This is a place where you're going to find out the information. All right, so for the July 2021 edition, we have a lot of news concerning cybersecurity. It's kind of the hot topic again these days. So the first article here is supply chain attacks and how to protect your organization. Laurence did a fantastic job in consulting some of our security team to get some practical tips, also kind of a recap of what's happened this year so far, and just some great information to help you. For example, here, the first one, assume that a breach has already happened. Just taking that into account can already get you on the right track to improve your security posture. So definitely check out this article. I think you'll really enjoy it. So recently we added a new credential type in Devolution Password Hub. It is the family credential type Azure Service Principal. So you want to check that out if you're interested in using that one. Also for this month's poll, we have what makes you feel like an IT superhero. Here's a chance for you to win a $25 Amazon gift card, which is always a nice thing. You know, as IT pros, there's all sorts of different personas that people have given us. But if we're really honest, you guys and gals are really IT superheroes. Now, what gives you these superhero powers? Make sure you put your comments in that blog article and we will pick a random winner to get that $25 Amazon gift card. We have a couple more tips and tricks for Remote Desktop Manager users here. The first one is launching embedded or undocked sessions in Remote Desktop Manager for Linux. So for all those Linux users, we've been doing a lot of updates lately to help you have a better experience. So you'll want to read this article if that's something that interests you. Also, we have 4 key cloud security challenges in 2021 and how to deal with them. As a lot of things move over to the cloud, what best practices can we implement to better secure ourselves against the upcoming threats? Also in cybersecurity, 20 shocking cybercrime statistics for 2021. Number 6 will shock you. Actually, I don't know, but there's a lot of good ones here. So for example, if I pick number 10, $17,700 is lost every minute due to phishing attacks. Wow, that's pretty crazy. But we just want you to make you aware that security is of the utmost importance, and it is for us here at Devolutions. We just want to make sure that you are well protected. Next up is one of my favorites. This is a video that I did with Marc Beauséjour. Now, Marc works with our sales team as well as our customer success department. This guy knows the ins and outs of Remote Desktop Manager. I encourage you to check out this webinar we did because he has such good insight on Remote Desktop Manager, how to use it efficiently, and just give some really, really good tips. So this is the 5 best practices for Remote Desktop Manager. I think you'll really get something beneficial out of this video. And I always save the best for last, and it's also on the bottom of the newsletter, but is the comic strip for this month. This is Patrick Desilets, once again, our artist in residence. This latest sysadmin is called Debugging. Definitely want to check that article out. So that's all the news we have for this month. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the video, as well as like and subscribe. That'll give us a good indication that you like these type of videos, and we'll keep making more content just like this. Thanks again for watching and have a great day. Bye.